Hi, welcome to JB Lessons. I'm JB and today we're going to be learning how to play Jingle Bells on the ukulele. The backing track and tab for this lesson are available by clicking the link below. The following video lesson is taken from my beginner's ukulele course that will be launching in December. For further information, please check out my website and Facebook details, and make sure you like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any future free lessons, promotions, competitions, and full courses. That being said, let's get on with the lesson. Thanks. Okay, so here's your guide how to play Jingle Bells. What I want you to do is place your first finger, so we've got finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. Place your first finger on fret 2 on the A string, which is the string closest to the floor. That way we've got fret 2, fret 3, fret 4 and fret 5 all nice and easy to get with separate fingers. We're going to start with fret 2 and we're going to play it 6 times. Then we're going to play fret 2, fret 5, fret 3 on the E string, back to the A string open, and back to fret 2 on that A string as well. On the same string we want to play fret 3 5 times. Fret 2 4 times. Lift your finger off, play it open, squeeze it back down on fret 2, lift it back off, little finger on fret 5, and the next bit's the same, fret 2 6 times, and then fret 2, fret 5, fret 3 on the E string, back to the A string, play it open, squeeze down fret 2, fret 3 5 times, fret 2 3 times, little finger on fret 5, play it twice, fret 3, open string, and then the G string, I would use your thumb for this one, just to finish off. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch these lessons. It really does mean a lot to me. And if you found them valuable, please look at my website, jblessons.com. This is the place where I'm going to be uploading the majority of my instrumental lessons. Well, that's it. All the best. Cheers.